Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to enable the minimap in Project Zomboid. First, start or load your game. If you're creating a new world, go to Sandbox settings before starting the game. Open the in-game map section and make sure the option Allow Minimap is turned on. If this setting is disabled, the minimap will not appear during gameplay. Once the minimap option is enabled and you're inside the game, hold them to open the map radial menu. From there, look for the Show or Hide Minimap toggle, then select it. If you're playing on a multiplayer server and the minimap doesn't appear, it may be disabled in the server sandbox settings. The server owner or admin needs to enable the setting called Allow Minimap in the sandbox configuration before players can use it. This can be accessed in the server menu via Manage Settings, Edit Selected Settings, and on the left panel under the Sandbox dropdown, select the in-game map. And that's how you enable the minimap in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.